Retro-style mechanical keyboards are making a strong comeback, mixing nostalgic looks with modern features. And today, there's something that fits right into that trend. Today we've got the YUNZII B75 Pro Max, a QMK keyboard, and a feature-packed 75% board that combines a retro vibe with serious customization power. But there's a lot more to it than just looks, so we're taking a closer look at everything, from unboxing and first impressions to design, ergonomics, build quality, lighting and display, battery life, connectivity, and overall conclusions. So, let's get this started. Right out of the box, the YUNZII B75 Pro Max gives off a solid and well-thought-out impression. Inside, everything feels practical rather than flashy. Along with the keyboard, there's a user manual that turns out to be surprisingly important, especially because many of the keyboard's features rely on key combinations. There are also 7 extra keycaps, 2 spare switches, a combined keycap and switch puller, and a USB Type-C to Type-A cable. The first thing that stands out is how complete the package feels. It's clear that the keyboard is designed to be adaptable right away, whether that means switching keycaps, experimenting with layouts, or adjusting it for different operating systems. Nothing feels unnecessary, and everything included actually serves a purpose. That already sets a positive tone before even plugging it in. The design is where this keyboard really starts to show its personality. It leans heavily into a retro-inspired aesthetic, featuring a matte gray chassis paired with black keycaps and transparent extras. The font choices on the keys are consistent and give off that nostalgic, almost vintage computing feel, while still looking modern enough for today's setups. Even though the design references older styles, the 75% layout keeps things practical and compact. It's a smart balance between saving desk space and still keeping essential keys within reach. In terms of build, the keyboard feels solid. The gasket mount design adds a slightly cushioned typing feel, and at just under 1 kilogram, it has enough weight to stay firmly in place. The rubber feet help with stability, so there's no unwanted movement during use. The keycaps are made from PBT plastic, which is always a good sign for durability. They resist shine and wear better over time, and the sculpted profile makes long typing sessions more comfortable. The matte plastic body keeps things simple but practical, avoiding fingerprints and unnecessary gloss. Up top, there's a multifunctional knob that's genuinely useful. With that, you can control volume or scrolling, and pressing it mutes the system, which is a small but convenient addition. Right next to it sits the display, adding a unique visual element to the keyboard. Lighting on the YUNZII B75 Pro Max is fully RGB and customizable, either through software or directly using key combinations. There are plenty of effects to choose from, and brightness and colors can be adjusted easily. The lighting looks clean, and since the keycaps are transparent, the glow shines through the legends as well as the edges, creating a much more vibrant and immersive effect. Now, the display is where things get interesting. It's a 160 by 96 TFT screen that adds a fun, interactive element to the keyboard. It supports 3 main modes: images, GIF animations, and system information like time, date, battery level, and connection status. Navigation is handled through shortcuts. Function +8 takes you to the home page. Function +9 and Function +0 switch between GIF-related pages, and Function +end lets you toggle between 12-hour and 24-hour time formats. Once familiar, these controls make it easy to move around and customize what's shown. In practice, the display is more of a fun feature than a must-have tool. It doesn't have deep functionality, but it adds personality. Having a small animation or custom image running while typing gives the keyboard a unique charm. There are some limitations, though. Since it's a TFT panel, viewing angles aren't the best, and glare can appear if there's strong lighting above. Also, the startup animation plays every time the keyboard wakes up, which can feel repetitive over time. Still, as a visual addition, it does its job well. It makes the keyboard stand out in a way most boards don't. Battery life is one of the strong points here. With an 8,000 mAh battery, it offers significantly more capacity than many keyboards in this category. With RGB lighting and the display active, it can last up to around 48 hours. Turn those features off, and it can stretch up to 30 days. In real-world use, it performs quite close to those claims. With moderate daily usage of several hours, it can easily last about a week before needing a recharge when running wirelessly with lighting and display enabled. There's also a smart way to extend battery life by turning off the display when it's not needed and only activating it when checking the time or battery level. That balance between features and efficiency makes it flexible depending on how it's used. In everyday use, the YUNZII B75 Pro Max feels practical, flexible, and easy to get used to. The 75% layout offers a smart balance between compact size and functionality, keeping essential keys within reach while saving desk space. This makes it comfortable for both work setups and more minimal desks without feeling limited. The multifunctional knob adds a layer of convenience that quickly becomes part of daily use. Adjusting volume, scrolling through pages, or muting the system can all be done instantly, which reduces the need for extra mouse or keyboard inputs. It's a small feature, but it improves the overall workflow. Typing on this keyboard is smooth and relatively quiet, making it suitable for office environments, libraries, or shared spaces where noise can be an issue. It doesn't draw unnecessary attention, which is a big plus for professional use. Another strong point is its multi-device support. It works seamlessly with laptops, tablets, and other devices, allowing quick switching between them. This makes it ideal for users who move between different setups throughout the day. While there is a slight learning curve due to function shortcuts, once familiar, the keyboard feels efficient, reliable, and comfortable to use in almost any situation. This keyboard is built for versatility when it comes to connectivity. It supports both wired and wireless modes, giving flexibility depending on the setup. Wired connection is handled through USB Type-C, while wireless options include Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz via a receiver. Bluetooth mode is especially useful since it allows pairing with up to 3 devices at once. Switching between them is quick using Function +1, Function +2, and Function +3. That makes it easy to jump between a laptop, tablet, or even a TV without reconnecting every time. On the software side, instead of a traditional app, it uses VIA and QMK. This means customization is done through a web-based interface. While it might feel a bit complex at first, it opens up a lot of possibilities. Keys can be remapped, macros can be created, and lighting can be configured in detail. One thing to keep in mind is that customization requires a wired connection. Still, the flexibility of QMK and VIA makes this keyboard a great option for users who like to fine-tune their setup. The YUNZII B75 Pro Max ends up being a really well-rounded keyboard with a lot to offer for its price. It combines a unique retro-inspired design with modern features like wireless connectivity, hot swappable switches, and deep customization through QMK and VIA. The typing experience is comfortable and satisfying, thanks to the gasket mount and pre-lubricated switches. The build quality feels solid, and the added features like the scroll wheel and display give it extra character. Of course, it's not perfect. The display could be more functional, the protective film is good enough, but not the best, and some small details like the cable could be better. But none of these issues takes away from the overall experience in a major way. At around $85, it offers excellent value. It's not just a keyboard for typing, but also a piece that adds personality to a setup. For anyone looking for something different, customizable, and visually interesting, this one is definitely worth considering. So, that's it for today. Hope this helped you understand what the YUNZII B75 Pro Max is all about. Let thoughts be shared in the comments, And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Till then, peace.